Good evening everyone. Etong mahirap sa nahuhuli. Wala na akong masabi, nasabi na nila lahat. I'm Alfred Sason, pinsan ni Alfredo Sason. Same name, same birthday. Mas matanda lang ako ng 2 oras sa kanya, kaya di hamak na mas malaki ako. Pero siguro nag-iba lang yun sa nagkatalo kami sa ininom namin gatas. Pero di hamak na pogi siya. Diba? Wedding mo eh. Kaya, kidding aside, si Denise, nakilala ko yan 12 years ago eh. Naging close nga kami niyan kasi sinama ako ni Alfie sa debut niya. Sabi ni Alfie, samahan ko raw siya as bodyguard eh. So nagkulang yung 18 roses niya. Ako yung sinalpak, kaya banding kami agad. Diba? To Denise, welcome to Sason and Alvarez clan. Si Alfie naman, competitive yan eh, na tao. As a person, competitive yan. Pagkakilala ko, si Rusty, nakatatlong anak na. Kaya sana pagkatapos nito, ataw na. Diba? Ayan. Ano pang masasabi ko ba? Sana pagsasama nyo, parang alak. No? Habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. That's all.
Thank you very much, Alfred. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagbigay ng message to the newlyweds. I'm sure you have a lot of takeaways from all the messages that you heard today from your family and friends. And speaking of special, ayan, we're going to show you something special again. It's done, okay? Well, yung trend po these days is that after the reception or even before the reception ends, there will be a special presentation, okay, of all the highlights of today's happenings. It will be shown to everyone, all right? And as it is special, this is also the first time that the bride and groom are going to see it. So we're requesting everyone to please let's give them this time for them to enjoy the video and to enjoy every moment, every second of it. Ayan. So pagpatay po ng ilaw natin, let's all enjoy this. And of course, this is created by the very talented team of our videographers today, Dream Mechanics. Let's have the video. Let's enjoy this.
Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Good afternoon especially to you, Alfredo and Denise. We are indeed happy to be gathered here this afternoon, my dear friends, as we witness the love that Alfredo and Denise have for each other. Love is a decision. It is a decision you will make once and for all. And hopefully, you'll be faithful to this promise.
Una sa lahat, happy birthday. The happiest birthday ever. Wala! And I can't wait to see you. This is our day, start of our forever.
A summer rain is passing over, and it feels like a dream. I could run and but you hold on to me.
I've been to a lot of things before, but all of those things makes us strong. I love you dearly, and I will always do. See you later, my forever. Smile, you're on camera.
Don't you know you stop the round? And all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime.
Denise, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Posh.
Alfredo, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Denise? Yes, Father.
Answer is yes. I'll spend my whole life just being caught up in your eyes. Don't you know you stop the room? And all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. Don't you know you stop the room? And all that I can see is you. I'm standing where the lightning strikes. I know this doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime.
Alright, thank you very much, Dream Mechanics, for that awesome video. One more time, let's give them a big round of applause. Napakahusay po. Thank you very much to our videographers. Ayan. Okay, so nakita na natin ang isa sa mga highlight. And of course, an event, a wedding will not be complete if the bride will not be able to pass on, diba? Something. Okay? So at this point, we would like to call in, I have a list, don't worry. Okay? They provided me a list. Ayan na po, may mga nagtatayuan na, pakisara